Hi, this is Gopal, and you're watching Art of Thinking. And today, uh, I bought some important questions for ICC students, and which is case study based questions. And this used to be there in CBSE CBSE exams, but this time ICC also have introduced these kind of questions in the term 1 exam. So for this, there are few chapters which contains case study based question. One of them is quadratic equation. So we will discuss today the questions based on quadratic equations. And if you noticed the ICC sample paper, there were some case study questions in section C part of the paper. So let us begin without wasting any more time. Let's start and look upon some questions. So the first question, age of uh, some age based question which is quite confusing, but don't worry. 1 year ago, father was 8 times as old as his son. 1 year ago, this condition happens 1 year ago, and now at present, now his age is the square of son's age. Okay, take the age of son is x. So if I take son's age as x, okay, it's already there. Son's age is x. So what is the age of father? And that too, they're asking present age. Okay, so the condition for present was this square of son's age. Okay, if this is son's age, so what would be the father's age? The square of it. That means x square is the answer. So this is our correct option. So if I move to the second part, which of the following is the correct expression for relationship between father's age and that of his son's age? Okay, son's age. Relationship between father and son's age. And that too, 1 year ago they are asking. Okay, 1 year ago. Let me read this part. 1 year ago, father's age was 8 times the son's age. Okay, we'll see. 1 year ago means we have to go behind, means 1 year before. That means son's age at that time will be x minus 1 and father's age will be x square minus 1. Okay, and even the condition will be father's age equal to 8 times son's age. That means x square minus 1, which is father's age, okay, which is father's age, and the son's age is x minus 1. So this becomes 8 times x minus 1. So the option which is correct is D. Okay, we will move to the next part. Third question. We have to which of the following represent the simplified quadratic equation? Which of the following represent the simplified quadratic equation of question 2? So question 2, we got this expression. You have to simplify this. X square minus 1, which is 8x minus 8. So if you bring all the terms to the left side, you will get this. Okay, so that means which option? Option first is the correct. Then what is the age of son? Means we need to factorize this to get the value of x. Let us do that. It's quite simple. 7 plus 1 is 8. I hope you all know how to do midterm factorization. This we can take x as common, you get this, and if you take x as common, 1 as common here, sign changes. Okay, this sign will change. You get x minus 7 x minus 1. So you can take x minus 7 as 0 and x minus 1 as 0. So this gives you x equal to 7 and x equal to 1. So I'm saying x equal to 7 will be the correct option. Why? Because see, percentage of son is x, percentage of father is x square. If we take 1 in the place of x, that means father and son becomes of same age. So which is not possible, isn't it? This part is not correct. So this is the perfect option for us. Because father and son cannot be of same age. The next question, question B. An article was sold at 56. This means this is what? This is selling price. And which costed him X rupees. That means this is CP. And the gain percent on his cost price is this. Okay. So what is the gain in terms of X? So they are asking gain. So we know gain or profit is usually calculated on what? Calculated on CP. That means X by 100 on means you can change it. You can write it even off this percentage of CP. CP is also X, so that means we get X square by 100. So see, option C is there for us. This is what? This is gain. Now identify the equation describing this transaction. Okay. So we all know SP minus CP gives us what? Profit. That means SP is 56 minus CP is what? X, and this is X squared by 100. So you have to see which is the option, and you can see option B is the correct one. X square by 100 equal to 56 minus X. Now the next is which of the following represent the simplified quadratic equation of question 2. So in this question 2, what will be the simplified form of this? You can cross this 100, you'll get 56 minus X multiplied by 100, and this is equal to X square. This gives you 5600 minus 100x equal to x square. Okay, you take all these towards that side, you get 0 equal to x square plus 100x minus 5600. That means you see which is the correct option. The last one. Okay, last one is the correct. You can see this x square plus 100x and then minus this much 5600. Next, what is the value of x? We have to just midterm this. Either you can do midterm factorization or you can do Swiss-Ratzer formula.